Hey, if you're looking for a fast and efficient way to clean all your jewelry, this is an ultrasonic jewelry cleaner. The brand did send this to me. I'm going to show you how to use this. This thing works really good. Here's what it looks like. On the front, you got a couple of buttons. This is where we put the power cord. Here's where you're going to fill it up with water. There's a couple things you can do. Okay, you see right here, there's a max fill line. We're going to fill that up with water. So we put just a drop of some dish soap in there. Got a 7-minute setting or a 5-minute setting. We're going to go 7 minutes. All right, just going to kind of give you a look at this necklace before we throw it in there. So we'll go ahead and just set this in there. Just make sure that the water is covering the jewelry. We're gonna go ahead and turn it on. So the way that this works is it's creating all of these ultrasonic bubbles. So, and those bubbles are what gets in there, and it's gonna start to just lift off a lot of the dirt. I'm trying to give you a good little look down in there. There we go. Here it is. We're just gonna continue to let that do its thing. We'll check on it and see how it's doing, and then we'll pull it out and see the final product. Down in there, like some dirt and some things floating around in the water. So that's a good sign. So let's go ahead. Okay. Okay. Wow. All right, let's go ahead and lay this out. They do give you this microfiber cloth over here. So this little cloth here comes with the unit, and I gotta tell you, take a look at this. I am genuinely impressed. This thing's never been cleaned. Look at this. That's a pretty good result for just a little bit of soap and water. So if you remember before, this had like no shine to it. It was really dirty. Now let's look at the water. The water is like got a little bit of murkiness to it. It definitely, you can tell that it has dispersed a lot of the dirt that was on this necklace. So I have to admit, I was a bit skeptical at first. I wasn't sure if something like this would actually work, and it really did work. I mean, the proof's in the pudding. I mean, right there, a nice shiny necklace. It took a lot of that dirt off, if not all of it. Super easy to use, works great. Definitely pick it up and check it out. That's my quick review, and thanks for watching.